Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 302 rotary desk telephone, and this is Gary's equipment from Georgia. And so basically this is the initial checkout. He's got a note here and he's talking about the line cord. He wants to have that replaced. This is actually telephone line cord that someone has installed on this telephone, and then they installed a modular port so that they could plug it into a modern line. So we're going to go ahead and replace the line cord. He's also got in the note here about the rotary dial. He says that sometimes it's sticking, and so basically the rotary hangs up. And so what we want to do is we never want to try to force that rotary back. It's sticking, and so you want to kind of try to get it to return on its own. So we know that that's going to have to be looked at and repaired. We're going to have to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We also want to go through the transmit. We want to go through the receive. We want to go through all the connections at the network. We want to check the bell. Now he says in the note all that works, but while it's in the shop we're going to check everything. So this is the initial checkout, so we want to go ahead and show you the telephone. It's in good condition for its age. We do have the cover loose, so we want to go ahead and show you the inside of the telephone. And that gives you a look at everything on the inside. We also want to, like we said earlier, go through the rotary. We want to look at the hook switch also. So we're going to be going through a little bit of everything on this telephone. And we're going to go ahead and get a start. So we're going to take a short break, and we'll get some more video as soon as we move forward with a final checkout. So we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this telephone. So the line cord, which was actually telephone line cord that had been installed on this telephone, has been removed. We also removed a piece of an old line cord that someone left inside the telephone. So that's of no use to us, and we're going to set that to the side. We're going to run through a little bit about what went on. We went through the transmitter, the receiver, we adjusted the bells, we went through the rotary. That was oiled, cleaned, and adjusted, and the braking clutch was adjusted. We went through the hook switch, we went through all the connections. We installed a black modular line cord so that you can simply plug into any modern jack. And we kind of just went through everything on the telephone. So now what we're going to do is start our final checks. And we want to ring the telephone. We're going to let that go a few times. I'll let it go one more time. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. We're going to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. As you can see, the rotary is a lot smoother and it's returning a lot quicker. So it's actually working the way it's supposed to. We're going to end in a 2. We're going to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. So we know that this telephone is ringing in on a ring cycle, it's dialing out properly, and the rotary is smooth and returning properly. It's transmitting, it's receiving. We want to go ahead and push this button on the switch box. And when I do that, that gives us a line out and totally takes the analyzer out of the situation. And we're going to call a time and temp number. Now, they're having some issues with their equipment. You're going to hear the recording start. There's going to be a hum. The recording will continue. That's on their end. Has nothing to do with us. So we'll go ahead and make that call, give you some dial tone.
Good morning. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. The time is 2:50. Current temperature 78 degrees. Mostly clear tonight and Tuesday. Low tonight mid-60s to low 70s. Tuesday's high mid-90s.
Okay. We can call one other number. We can call my number, and it'll be busy. We'll give you some dial tone. Now that we know that this telephone has been repaired, we can return it to Gary, and he can enjoy this telephone. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.